how to increase download speed in Epic Games Launcher. So first off, open up your computer search, and then here simply search for percentage app data percentage, and you should get a file folder. So click on it. Right here we want to go back a little bit, so just click on app data. We want to go to local, then here simply click on a random folder and press E so you find the Epic Games Launcher. We have the folder right here. You want to open it up, then go to saved, go to config, Windows, and you want to open up the third file which says engine. And basically all we have to do is paste a little code here. It will be in the description as well as in a pin comment. So all we have to do is paste this. Then when exiting out, click on save. Then you want to reload your Epic Games Launcher. So simply right click on it and exit and then reload it. And that's how you increase your download speed. Leave a like and subscribe if this worked for you. I will see you next time. Take care, everyone.